TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. I'm the host of the Tiger Conditions Hour, usually at 10 a.m. in the morning, 10 to 11 Eastern Time, and the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. We're looking at the Dow up 35 at 34,636. So here we are at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time, and the markets had a really come back from a lousy early morning slide. But the day is young. We need to see how the Dow closes at 34,636. I would suggest to you that if there is a close above 34,600 in the Dow today after the open that we had, especially if it actually comes back to close about 40 or 50 points higher, that's really good action. If it comes back and is really closing down 40 points, that's not good. So the S&P at this point has also come back very strongly. Dow's 300 points up from the low. The S&P is about 30 points up. It's at 41.98. Now it's only down 9. This is very important because if the S&P is able to get back at least to a -5 or a -4, it's going to be tough to do. There are a lot of sellers out there. That'll be good action. If it closes down about 14 points, if after 3 p.m., now it's 2 p.m., so after 3 p.m. this afternoon during Tom O'Brien's show, if it's starting to be a -14 or so, that's going to say, it's going to be tough. Friday's close is going to be so important for the weekly charts. Look at the QQQ. It's actually way weaker. It is down 2.74, down 0.83%, much deeper than the others. And what we're looking at at 3:30, if it's down below 328 going into the close, that's poor action. If it's able to recover and close closer to 331, that'll be really good. The IWM is the Russell 2000. This is the small caps, and it's actually doing pretty nicely. It is down 94 cents at 227. But it is a peak D, and you'd expect a deeper pullback. So this is actually good, and it's helping that weekly chart, which is the one I've been worrying about. I'll talk about it in my show tomorrow at 10 a.m., my Tiger Technicians Hour. This is going to be really important. And gold is having a very deep correction right now. It is down 35 points at 1874. We haven't seen this since April. We'll see. I suspect this is just a pullback, and then it should start to form some kind of a base. But we are watching the dollar. I'm going to do a show tomorrow based a lot on the dollar because this pattern in the weekly is really important. I discussed it a moment ago. Watch the dollar. It's up a little bit. Let's see if it has more of a rally to come. Stay tuned. You've got Dave White coming up, and then Tom O'Brien wraps up the day. I'll actually be back with Tom a little later on for an interview. Have a great day.